to Unboxing China. I'm Nancy. Today, let's unbox a special treat for the Lantern Festival. We call them tangyuan or yuanxiao. They're stuffed glutinous rice balls, usually sweet but sometimes savory. Oh, this one has a really creative shape, see? Oh, it has a traditional filling. It's the black sesame. And it's my favorite one. Oh, it is the savory one. It has meat inside. The meat has an interesting touch of sweetness. It's not bad, but I have to say I'm more used to having tangyuan as a dessert. And although in English, we call both of them glutinous rice balls, tangyuan and yuanxiao are actually different. We make tangyuan almost the same way as we make dumplings. We stuff the fillings into the dough. But for yuanxiao, we start with the fillings, dip them into dry flour, and shake the tray to create the round shape.
咱这也450遍，现在就是加班7天，每天14、15个小时吧。咱现在就是传统的4芽馅儿，跟着山楂、五仁、黑芝麻、巧克力。来，元宵得了啊！稍微让一下来。
巧克力好吃，真的，谢谢，节日快乐，节日快乐。Both tangyuan and yuanxiao symbolize family reunion and well wishes. So I also wish all of you a wonderful year of the dragon.